Hey guys, my name is Andy Oshodi. This is gonna be my very first YouTube video, and what I'm gonna be doing on this channel is let you guys know what I do. Basically, I do Amazon FBA online arbitrage. I'm gonna have to take you guys through my journey. I'm just starting off. Today, I'm actually gonna be sending out I think my second shipment. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I do, and this journey, I'm going to take you guys along with me on this journey, see how I do what I do, and I'm just going to bring you guys money making opportunities. Okay, so I hope I bring you some value, and if you like what you see, please subscribe. So right now I'm going to have to prep some products. Let me show you what I got here. So these are some of the products I'm going to be shipping out today. Okay, so I have some boxes, and I already printed out some labels right here. So these labels is what I'm going to be putting on these products before I ship them out to Amazon. Okay, so like I said, this is my very first YouTube video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll do my best to bring you as many videos as possible in a week, maybe starting out 3 to 5 videos a week. I don't know, but I'll see how that goes. So let me get on to prepping. I'll see you guys later. All right, bye.